Good morning, Miss. I am Tabuada Marta Patricia. I am from BSN 2L. For this procedures or for this video, I'm going to perform the wound care. But before anything else, I would do the medical hand washing. But since we don't have enough water, we use an alcohol or you may use an sanitizer. After that, prepare all the materials needed. Here's my sterile area. And this is my waste receptacle, which is the non-sterile area. So, I will be going the patient and I will be identify her if siya ba ang patient nga, by the doctor's order. So, good morning, Miss. I am Tabuada Marta Patricia. I am from student nurse of University of Banilad. So, I am here today, Miss, to assess your wound care. I am asking your permission if it is okay sa imong magdo ko ani. Okay, thank you, Miss. So, first, I will be doing the, providing the privacy. Hand washing. Don a clean gloves. Put it on the waste receptacle. And next, mag-start na ko remove sa iyang wound dressing. So, mo ni siya. I will get some alcohol. A cotton balls with alcohol. Ang purpose ani niya kay para dili masakitan ang patient, inika-remove nimo sa tape para sana mo avoid og dikit sa iyang skin. So slowly lang, hinay lang, Miss. Put it on the waste receptacle. Get another. Hinay lang, Miss. Gamay lang. Alright. Cotton ball with alcohol. Gamay lang, Miss, ha. Lumay lang, Miss. Remove the gloves. Put it on the waste receptacle and do a medical hand washing again. Apply a new set of clean gloves. Okay. Put it on the waste receptacle and assess the wound of the patient if ni grabe ba siya or ni gamay ba siya. After that, mag-start na taog clean sa wound. So first, get a cotton pledgets, normal saline solution, one way lang. Dapat dili nimo siya i-balik-balik. So we're done the normal saline solution. Next is the betadine cleanser. One way lang gihapon. First sa center part of the wound. Put it on the waist receptacle. Get another skin cleanser. Away from the wound. So we're done the betadine cleanser. So we move on sa betadine paint. Center of the wound, one stroke only. Get another cotton balls. Away from the wound. After that, remove the clean gloves. Do medical hand washing. Get a new set of clean gloves. Don a clean gloves. Put it on the waist receptacle and get the gauze pad, the 4x4. Plaster. Make sure nga igo lang sa wound and make it sure nga makaginhawag po ng wound. Get some tape. Make sure not too tight, not too loose. Lumay lang, miss. Oh my God. Sorry. So we're done dressing our patient. The final product. Thank you so much, miss. So after that, remove the clean gloves. Then do aftercare. Do the medical hand washing. Documentation. Once again, this is Tabuada Marta Patricia from BSN